Keima Khaimang Sangsoy, President UKIP Manipur, Lim. Pu Colonel Dr. Vijay Chanjin Aji, Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919. Itile Kabuhi, Mipi Bakhedin Le, Simkhedin into Yin Tongko Tanahi. Very outset, I thank God for this privileged time. Today we do the honor. I extend my warm greeting and honors to the author of the book Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919, Colonel Dr. Vijay Chanjin, for your generous and magnificent contribution toward the Kuki people, especially for your hard work for the cause of the Kukis, and we are so much happy for your concern toward the Kukis. Secondly, I also extend my warm greeting to all my colleague leaders of Kuki Civil Society Organization, Kuki Chief Association, Manipur, Kuki Women Union, Manipur, Kuki Khamlai Longpi, Kuki Research Forum, KSO General Headquarters and its branches, Kuki Organization for Human Rights, Kuki Women for Human Rights Organization, and others federating bodies of the Kuki UP Manipur. Today we have a very wonderful and privileged and happy day to have a very significant and valuable books. It's called Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919. So on this auspicious gathering, as among of today's religious function of Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919, I also would like to highlight some of the significant regarding this Anglo-Kuki War. Now, the government of Manipur duly recognized the event as Kuki Rising 1917 to 1919. So far as my previous speaker had mentioned duly, the books related to that incident. So far as my knowledge is concerned, 7 books have been available now. The first one is Documents of the Anglo-Kuki War, edited and compiled by Dr. Let Kuyang Hauki, which is now available. The second is the Kuki's Unforgettable Patriots, written by T.K. Khonsai. And the third one is the Anglo-Kuki War, that is frontier uprising against the imperialism, which is edited by jointly Dr. Jang Mangite and Dr. Thongkulal Hauki. And the 4 books available now is Anglo-Kuki War, Galham Hothusi, War Heroes, which is compiled and edited by Kuki Research Forum Manipur chapter, And the fifth available book is Against the Empire, which is jointly edited by Dr. Letkujam Hauki and Dr. Namza Hauki again. And the sixth available book is Anglo-Kuki War, compiled and edited by Kuki Inti Manipur, which is also available. And last and not the least, today we are happy to release the new book, which is called Anglo-Kuki War, a military perspective by Colonel Dr. Vijay Chandji. So we are happy that we have so far 7 books available in relation with this Anglo-Kuki War. As we all know, this Kuki Rising or Anglo-Kuki War is one of the significant and formidable war in the northeastern state of India. So some quotations goes like this. As we found in the British record, this Anglo-Kuki War is one of the longest, largest and costless military operation in the whole of India since the Sabai Mutiny 1857. And the second quotation goes that Sir Robert Gray, Governor of Assam, said that this Anglo-Kuki War or Kuki Rising is the most serious event in the history of Manipur. And the third popular quotation is that Chief Commissioner of Assam in 1919 said that this war is the most formidable with which Assam has faced after at least a generation. So, the Anglo-Kuki War or the Kuki Rising is not a mere agitation, but it is war, formidable war, or one of the largest, costless or longest war in the history of Manipur. The government of Manipur has so far, in recognition of this war, had sanctioned 2 times. Sanction is accorded. The first is in 1963. A total sum of rupees 70,000 have been sanctioned. So that sanction we made to setting up Kuki Wall Complex at Imphal, which is called Kuki Inn. Kuki Inn Complex, the whole is setting up by the sanction made by the central government, a total of 70,000 in the year 1963. And the second sanction is accorded in the year 2009. A total of 1 crore 36 lakhs have been sanctioned. So now we have a multi-story building there at the Kuki in Imphal. Besides this, the state government of Manipur also accorded due recognition in the year 2019 as Kuki Rising 1970 to 1919. Besides such due recognition, the government also pleased to include 17 October as the Kuki Rising Day in the government calendar as restricted holiday. Apart from that, the government also agreed and promised to setting up Kuki Rising Park or Memorial Park within Imphal or Greater Imphal. So we are this day busy for setting up finding suitable land for setting up Kuki Rising Memorial Park. So it is now pending. I hope shortly the suitable land could be allotted by the government, and Kuki Rising Memorial Park will be setting up there at Imphal City. It is also my pleasure to mention that some of our chiefs generously donated a suitable land for setting up Kuki Rising Memorial Park at different places. Like the Chief of Lompi has donated 2 hectares of land for setting up Kuki Rising Memorial Park at Lompi in Chandir district. Secondly, Chief of Waison in Chutanpur district also donated land for setting up Memorial Park. Likewise, Chief of Aisan have also donated a suitable land for setting up Memorial Park. Besides that, Chief of Vajin near New Peking Mandi have also donated land for setting up Memorial Park. So far as we have 4 land for setting up this Memorial Park. Besides this Memorial Park, the government of Assam also donated 5 hectares of land at Sadia in Tinsukia district of Assam for setting up this Memorial Park at Sadia. Lastly, but not the least, during the course of 3 years, 2017 to 2019, we could able to set up monuments at different places. A total of 4 monuments have been set up so far. The first one is a monument constructed there at Lompi in 2017, and in 2018 we able to erected monuments at Sopi in Chutanpur district, and 2019 we also able to erected a monument at Aisan. Apart from that, Kuki Independent War Memorial Committee also erected 1 monument at Kuki at Imphal. So a total of 4 monuments so far we have erected in connection with this observation of Anglo-Kuki War. Lastly, I would like to say in my dialect, so I request our today's special guest, Colonel Dr. Vijay. Please bear with me. Atay na kaya na sa iyo so piteho ang ikomodo say. Tu kan kundo hocho. Iho ukiti ang nagipangata achievement din ay. Centenary iman ko hanin to tampi inedun hiti to hohi kono ma achu go thila ilam so. Hije chon hiti kabang go thil ina ilam ho hi. Tu alam kai ho han abana lam kai ho han na abana kham kha ho hi lam hiti hi inam sumowa kinir bautam na ai lo khatla khat ki oi mo tu na ai lo le ki sei se tu amang dowa nama dinga khilkha konwa man cha kinta dinga hi ati se mo din chu i we chu thang tha ho ko ka sei mo ni le ka ji na la na hi ku kite hi ki hasan bin le ka ku mu thei tập le ka bu tam tu in Hiji akiji do ho lai yo 80% ki Christian support ki ma ale ka bu nan de ni. Ye ho identity culture ai lo le ye ho living standard or occupation kadang dang ki ho hi le ka bu in de se tu ni. Hiji chun Kukin ki manipunin tuhin, kukin ki office akong library bookshelf at ipalin, at isin doon. Hija tu na isodo hanam, tu masama isodo hawlang le. Hijo hi collection dola, hilayin na tu itu keja tuhin. Kono nga kang kaon doon, reference anay tingin ito doon na kinigin. Hije tu ni ang ito outer I know that publisher yung kawahi lang le ka bu iji do ho publish di bo lo hi mungkin ya donate in bo ba iti jo ko nga bet ni ke ni na ko ko ni ati do min hin bo te ni jong tin na tan ni he hije chun le ka bu ji na la ma hin in halakati support to in hiti ka bang le khabu ng tanta hi the society wa inamawa go thil kha de je chun hiti to mu so le de he yo jo se na pan lao de aden tu ni a release ko hiti le khabu ini sa ni ikinai iki happy yo hilo Gam official kami, ukite chancin, ukite galdo thun inji ukite hi, yo dengar tipa tak, thana umka, ahi ji aju dunia hi tipa pune hi, hijle ka puhi, asim ke chanin asim ke devi kicho odin, mangchao hikin, kodma kachun pina. Neyo pe kichu acai na kasai hintin hije chun ammo ki wa ai lo ki rai jing kiti thum centenary tin manna bana ito do ito chu nama de na thu phachu ta hi chu chong lam ta hai lai kan ke sei feel sei wa kam le na ni ke ta ti pai chang ke
Various people by mounts on the pathway saving